One point of clarification, there was a statement made or an accusation that city resources were being utilized for this effort. That is not true. There are no city resources being utilized. The city of Gardner as an entity is outside of this activity. This activity is governed by state statute and is approved through the district attorney's office and then managed by the election office. This is not a city-related task or city-related activity associated with it. So just that point of clarification. Is there anyone else for a motion? Councilmember Peters asked for this item, so I will turn the floor over to Mary.
Okay. I just earlier this evening gave Stuart some factual information to be placed in the next Inside Gardner publication and the next next two utility newsletters. And basically it's just strictly factual information. And it says, and I will read it to you for your information, notice to citizens of Gardner. The Johnson County District Attorney, after a very thorough investigation, ruled that council members Mary Peters and John Shepard and Dan Thompson did not violate the Kansas Open Meetings Act. Just wanted to let everyone know that I've given that to Stuart.
Okay. Would it be more appropriate to have the letter itself and place that either in the letter or at least reference it on? I know the newsletter is very kind of compact, so I mean, would it be better to have that letter at least referenced as to where it can be reviewed by the citizens?
Well, the letter was to me and Mary Peters, John Shepard, and Dan Thompson, dated September 22nd, and I certainly don't think we want to put this letter in our newsletter because it is 4 pages.
Okay.
But the last line of it says, after a thorough investigation, we have concluded no violation of the Kansas Open Meeting Act has occurred. So this is just basically 3 or 4 lines, 1 sentence.
Discussion?
Well, I think it should be placed in there. If we want to have a letter to reference, we can reference the letter from the district attorney. And put a copy of that in there.
Well, I don't think there's, the only thing is I don't think there'll be room in the newsletter for the document, but if there's a place where that letter can be posted to send citizens to allow them to read the letter. I assume it's a public document.
Yes, they could get it from, I'm sure, going through the open meetings law, or open meetings record.
Open record.
They could get that. But this will get to all the citizens, and I believe that we owe this to our citizens to make them aware that the district attorney did find that we did not violate the Open Meetings Act. And I would think that everyone on this council would want that known.
Comments?
Yeah, I'm not opposed to that. The district attorney also made another ruling that it was okay for the recall to occur. I mean, there's.
That's correct.
So, I mean, and that's not, but that was not in the letter to us. But
neither is this document. Jim, is there is there concern? I mean, I know we've been very diligent about what we do and don't post. Everything has to be just, here's the story and this is what's going on.
I don't know what all you're putting in your newsletter. I haven't had the opportunity to review it, but I don't have an issue with what Mary's suggesting this evening. As long as it states it factually in this.
And verbatim.
Yeah.
Okay.